everyone, it's Joanna here, and today's workout I'll be showing you a series of simple but very effective workout for you to achieve the flat tummy that you've always wanted. So if you want to get the flat tummy, let's work out and let's work hard. Right guys, so let's start with our first workout. Lie down on your mat instead of your usual crunches. What we'll be doing, it's called crunches with legs extension. So to begin with, bring your legs up, keep them 90 degrees with your toes pointed out, and keep your hands just by your head, alright? So what you want to be doing is to crunch up and bring your knees close to you, and when you're going down, extend your legs forward. So there you go, crunch in, out, that's one. That's it, crunch, really go all the way up, 2, lift your shoulders off, 3, good. 4, really go as low as you can. 5, that's it. Do not bring your head all the way down. 6, good. 7, crunch all the way up. Extend. 8, extend. Crunch. 9, extend. Good job. 10, extend. 1, keep going, extend. 2, extend as far as you can. 3, last 2. 4, last 1. And 5. And just rest. Good job. For this workout, you should be feeling your upper abs working as well as your lower abs. So really it's both your upper and lower abs. Let's go into our second workout. Second workout is called leg raises. So what you really want to be targeting is your lower abs. That's where the additional fat usually is. So just keep your arms by your side. Always remember to keep your back straight, flat on the floor. Your back should not be over extending. So just keep your back straight on the floor. Keep your arm by your side and lift your legs up. Pointed, and just lower your legs as low as you can without arching your back and lift it back up. There you go, that's it. 1, 2, that's it. Keep your legs straight. 3, as low as you can without arching your back. Good job. 4, 5, and if you find this difficult, what you can do is to bend your knees and bring it down and up, just like this. Alright? Alright guys, so let's do 10 more. Go. 1, that's it. 2, really feel your lower abs working. 3, good job. 4, if you feel your back hurting, what you can do is just to support your back. 5, good. 6, 1 more, and 10. Very good. So just shake it off. The next workout is called bicycle crunches. So what you want to be working on is basically to target the side part of your abs. Okay, and so same thing, arms by your head, bring your knees 90 degrees, and when you're doing this, what you want to be doing is to extend one leg forward and twist the other side, bring your legs in, twist and extend, bring it in, twist and extend, that's it. So 1, that's it. Really bring leg 2, good. Extend, good. Really twist. 3, that's it. Twist all the way. 4, feel your side abs working, good. Twist. 5, twist. 6, good job. Twist. 7, good. Feel your side abs, 8, and your lower abs. 9, good job. Twist. 10, all the way up, good. 1, twist. 2, good job. Last 3, 3, good. Last 2, 4, bring it in. Last 1, 5, in, and just relax. Very good. So for our last workout, let's get up into my favorite plank position, okay? So, if you do not know how to do a correct plank yet, watch my how-to videos where I'll be showing you how to do a right plank step by step. So, let's get into a plank position and let's hold it for about 45 seconds, okay? Ready? Okay, remember to keep your body straight. Alright, really feel your entire core working. Let's go. Ready and up. Good job, keep your body straight. That's it. Really just relax and focus. Alright, doing good. Keep your body straight. Tighten your abs. Good job. You should feel your core burning. And if you do all these 4 workouts, every day and whenever you can, I can assure you that you'll definitely see results and gain a flat tummy. Alright, halfway there. Let's go. Keep going. Remember, this is your last workout, so really hold and just concentrate. Don't let it go, not now. Hold it. Alright, good. Last 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's move our body front and back. 1. Just move front and back. 2. Good. 3. Front and back. 4. Good. 5. 6. 7. 8. Really tighten it. 9. 10. Very, very, very good job. So those are 4 simple but very effective workouts to really give you that flat tummy, and you can do all of the workouts within 5 minutes. So just spend 5 minutes a day for a flat tummy. If you do have any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my page. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you're feeling your abs burning right now. And all the best for getting a flat tummy.